Welcome to Essential English Only.
Your practical English lessons in podcast format.
Hello, learners! Lizzie here, your everyday English tutor.
If you really want to improve your English quickly and efficiently, you need to go beyond the basics. Many people fail to make progress in the language because they focus only on superficial methods, such as repeating words mechanically or studying for hours without a clear plan. In this video, I'm going to share with you 7 daily habits that will improve your speaking and listening in a strategic way, based on proven techniques and simple practices. Each of these habits is easy to implement in your daily routine. We'll start with the basics and gradually build more complex and powerful habits that will take your English to the next level. By the end of this video, you'll see how small changes can lead to big results. Stay with me until the end, and if you follow these steps, you will definitely see significant progress. First habit: change the language of your phone and social media to English. One of the easiest and most powerful ways to immerse yourself in English every day is to change the language of your phone, social media, and even the apps you use frequently. This will force you to think in English all the time, even for the most mundane tasks. With every notification or click, you will be exposed to the language in a practical way without even realizing it. By doing this, you will start associating words and phrases in English with actions you perform daily. This helps to fix vocabulary in your memory and makes English a natural part of your routine. More importantly, it puts you in constant immersion, making language absorption easier and more organic. Second habit: record your voice and listen to your own corrections. Speaking practice is essential, but often we speak without realizing our mistakes. A simple yet highly effective technique is to record your voice while speaking in English. This allows you to analyze your pronunciation, fluency, and common mistakes, and identify areas that need more attention. The practice is very simple. Choose a short text or even a sentence from the content you listened to earlier and record your voice. Then listen to the recording and try to identify areas for improvement, such as words you mispronounce or sounds you struggle with. By doing this regularly, you will notice much faster improvement because you are actively correcting your own speech. The repetition of these corrections will build your confidence and prepare you to speak more naturally. Third habit: use the spaced repetition method. The spaced repetition technique is one of the most powerful methods for memorizing vocabulary and phrases long term. Instead of reviewing everything at once, you will review words and phrases at specific intervals in order to reinforce the memory at the exact moment it starts to fade. How does it work? Use flashcard apps or write down words and review them at increasing intervals. For example, review a word after 1 day, then 3 days, then 7 days, and so on. This process helps solidify the words in long-term memory, preventing you from forgetting them over time. By reviewing spaced out, you will see that words begin to solidify in your vocabulary more effectively and with less effort. Fourth habit: practice shadowing. Repeat what you hear in real time. Shadowing is an advanced listening and speaking technique where you repeat immediately what you heard, trying to imitate the pronunciation, intonation, and rhythm of the speaker as accurately as possible. This is especially effective because it forces you to focus on the correct articulation of words and understand the natural flow of the language. How to practice shadowing effectively? Choose an English recording. It could be a movie dialogue, for example, and listen to one sentence at a time. Immediately, repeat the sentence, trying to imitate exactly what you heard. This will help you improve your pronunciation, fluency, and listening comprehension. Also, by practicing in this way, your brain will start associating the words with their sounds more effectively, making your speech flow more naturally and without long pauses. Fifth habit, listen actively for 15 minutes a day. Many people think that just listening to English for a long time is enough, but that's not true. The key is active listening, which means not only hearing, but actually paying attention to the words, expressions, and pronunciation. This helps improve your listening comprehension and internalize the rhythm of the language. How to do this practically? Set aside 15 minutes of your day to listen to content in English. It could be a podcast, a song, or even a short video. During this time, don't worry if you don't understand everything. The goal is to focus on identifying words and phrases you already know and try to understand the general context. Over time, your listening perception will improve and you will start to pick up more details, which will help you communicate with more confidence. Sixth habit, memorize words and phrases within real context. It's not enough to just write down lists of isolated words without understanding how they are used in daily life. The idea is to absorb the words within complete sentences, which will help you memorize them more naturally and use them correctly. For example, if you hear take a rain check, an expression used to say that something will be postponed, write the whole sentence instead of just the word rain check. This will help you solidify the meaning of the expression and use it more easily in your own conversations.
Are these tips working for you? The best way to say yes is with a like.
Seventh habit, interact with native speakers constantly. Practice with native speakers is one of the most effective methods to improve both speaking and listening. The key here is to interact consistently, even just for a few minutes, with natives or people who have a higher level of English than you. This will help you adapt your brain to real English and get used to the variations in the language. You can do this in various ways, by joining online conversation groups, using language exchange apps, or even by finding friends who speak English. Try having real conversations instead of just practicing memorized phrases. This will help you apply English naturally in more spontaneous situations and challenge you to think quickly in the language. The goal is to expose yourself to everyday situations, which will help you react faster and with more confidence. Today's challenge. As the first habit is to change the language of your phone to English, do this now. Then record an audio saying the following sentences. First phrase, I am learning English every day and I can already feel my progress. Second phrase, every small step I take brings me closer to fluency. Third phrase, I'm practicing English because I want to speak it confidently. Listen to your recording and compare your pronunciation with Lizzie's narration of the same sentences. Repeat these sentences until they sound exactly like Lizzie's pronunciation. This will help you refine your accent and improve your fluency. Today, we talked about 7 strategic habits to improve your English. Each of these habits is a simple, practical way to incorporate English into your daily routine, helping you progress consistently. Remember, consistency is key. By focusing on these simple yet powerful habits, you will see results in no time. Keep practicing, and as always, focus on the essential. Every small step is a victory on your path to fluency. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be amazed by your progress.
I am Lizzie, and this is Essential English Only. Keep listening, repeating, and developing your English every day. Today you really learned what matters. See you in the next lesson. Focusing on the essentials.